Hi, and welcome to this episode on email and billing with Enterpryze. I'm Sharon from Enterpryze, and in this session, we'll simply look at how to email and print multiple documents. So let's get you started. If we click here on sales and then click on email and billing. So within email and billing, you are able to select multiple documents that can be emailed or copied to another document type. So the documents available are sales quote, sales order, sales delivery, sales invoice, and of course, customer statements. So let's take a look at emailing or printing multiple documents. So very simply, just under here under sales quote, if I select the required documents, again, just to notice here that under the grid, you can filter or select the required documents, whether that be by number, customer, whatever you require. Then up here on the left, we click on email documents, or you can click on the drop down to click on print. It's that simple. So for billing purposes allows you to create a target document. So a target document is where you've created, let's say, for example, a sales order, and you now want to copy it to a sales delivery. So under the billing option, if I click here on sales order, I can do this on a single basis, or I can consolidate. And consolidate means to merge or to bring together. So just to give you an example of both, if we take a single basis, so for this particular sales order here, we can select the sales order, we can click on actions, and it'll tell you here what documents you're able to create from that sales order. So if I click on copies to sales delivery, again, like what would happen when I'm adding a delivery under normal circumstances, it will ask me to email the document to the customer. So I can select yes or no at this stage. And the conversion is complete. So basically what will happen is, you can see here, we are closing the documents, please wait. So inevitably the sales order will now be closed and a new sales delivery will have been created from that sales order, which we can see here. So here now under the sales delivery list, we can see the new sales delivery, and the remarks straight away confirms it's based on sales orders number 3. So now let's take a look at consolidating. So that's bringing multiple documents together into one final document. So under the sales delivery here, you can see that we've got at the top here 2 documents for one customer, and again another 2 here for another customer. So one thing to note here is that the only way to consolidate is on the same document type. And remember that the document types are item and service. So let's look at this customer here and select these 2 deliveries. When I select the same 2 customers or any multiple documents, this additional box appears called Consolidate. So as I've said, consolidate means to merge or to bring together. So if I click on Consolidate, what will happen now is when we click to the action and go copy to sales invoice, so the expected result is that these 2 deliveries, delivery 1 and 2, will now merge into one final invoice. So let's copy, and again we can email the document if we wish. And once the consolidation is complete, we'll be able to see that final invoice available under the sales invoice option, where again you can select that invoice then to be emailed or to be printed. So now let's look at statements. So statements are obviously a reflection of what's owing from your customers and the details of those transactions that make up the balance. So if we select a particular customer here, we can, of course, as before, we can click on email or we can click on print. When clicking on print, you can select your statement date, click on OK, then to generate the printout. It's as simple as that. Hope this has helped with you identifying how to use the email and billing function. And if you require any further help, don't forget to check out the help articles on help.enterpryze.com or reach out to our support representatives here on the support chat. And again, you can get a link here to help.enterpryze.com. Thank you for watching.